Make this tea and drink daily to cure cough, asthma, bronchitis, rheumatism, emphysema, infections, and more. This fragrant Mediterranean herb has long been used as a spice in cooking and as a traditional medicine throughout the world. It possesses potent antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties, thanks to which it provides numerous health benefits. We talk about oregano, the herb which contains abundant amounts of vitamin A, E, C, and K, folate, fiber, niacin, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, and the carotenoids cryptoxanthin, zeaxanthin, and lutein. Oregano's antioxidant power is incredible, making it one of the best food sources to neutralize free radicals and prevent free radical damage to molecules. Thanks to its antioxidant content and the ability to cleanse your body, this herb can prevent various diseases and health disorders. How to use oregano as a traditional medicine? There are many ways you can use this herb to obtain its beneficial effects, dried or fresh, as a supplement, or in the form of oil. However, the easiest way to use it is as a tea. To prepare an oregano tea, just steep 5 to 10 grams, 1 to 2 teaspoons, fresh or dried oregano in a cup of hot water, for around 5 minutes. Drink up to 3 times a day. You can also use it in the form of oil to treat microbial and fungal infections like athlete's foot. Make sure you dilute your oregano oil with coconut or olive oil before use. Dilute few drops of oregano oil into a teaspoon of your carrier oil. Health benefits of oregano. This herb can help treat numerous diseases and health conditions, including the following: asthma, a cough and cold, acne, arthritis, bronchitis, digestive disorder, dandruff, muscle pain, bloating, toothache, heart conditions, headaches, earaches, heartburn, urinary tract infections, allergies, menstrual cramps, fatigue, intestinal parasites, cancer. Here's how to prepare an oregano tea to cure asthma, cough, rheumatism, bronchitis, infections, emphysema, etc. Oregano tea recipe. Ingredients: 2 to 3 cups of water, 4 to 6 dried oregano leaves, raw honey, to taste, a slice of organic lemon, optional preparation. Boil the water and add the dried oregano leaves. Let them steep for 5 minutes, and once it cools, strain. Add some honey if you like a sweeter taste, and a slice of lemon to increase bioavailability. Drink while warm to reap its health benefits.